Alright, y'all, we better rewind. We better take it way, way back. It's that No Grave Gang, you know what I'm saying? Let me take a trip into these new clouds.
A child, fresh like a farmer's market. I only wear shorts with no pockets. Y'all when the beast be mocking, well you better shut your mouth for it, zip it and lock it. I'm an originator, smooth flow creator. To the odd ones out, it's you I kicked up. I'm a clown, it's not just for show. With the beastie flow, when I walk the microphone, I'ma hit you with that boom bap, make the room slap. Let me take you way, way back. Kids all calling me whack, but I'm bringing back a sound that you can't, so take that.
Sound is classic like Coke, but I'm new like Mountain Dew. What's new? Stay dripping like Fiji. Overalls, one shoulder, BDG. Used to get clowned in school for my last name. Had dummies calling me Luigi. Don't test me, you don't want smoke. I'll lock you up and send the door like a knock-knock joke. Knick-knack, patty whack, give up all your stack. I hit the Foot Locker, blow a few whacks. Tracksuit, Adidas, all black. Can someone please get me a snack? Baller didn't do the chain, but I don't feel lame, cause all these ladies know my name. Hey Gray, hey baby, let's kick it later, maybe.
Now bring it around back with that beat that is bumping. Young MCs on the mic, keep them jumping. Healthy breakfast before I get my luncheon. A glass of OJ and a Captain Crunch Crunch and I'm hot. Check your temperature, you're not. Step off, you're gonna get got. I run a marathon in high socks and flip-flops. Now stop, make them drop. Bass is grooving, bodies are moving. Y'all wanna tune in to see what we doing. So call up the 90s and give them a ring. Told them they might just have the next big thing.